Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about an interesting linguistic phenomena which is called diglossia. Before moving to diglossia, I want to talk a little bit about sociolinguistics. What is the meaning of sociolinguistics? So, is that part of linguistics which is concerned with language as a social and cultural phenomena. It investigates the fields of language and society and has close connections with the social sciences, especially social psychology, anthropology, human geography, and sociology. Now we move to diglossia. Diglossia is a situation in which two varieties of the same language are used under different conditions within a community. The way it works is that one dialect or language is used for casual, everyday interaction, and a different standard language is used for more official, formal purposes. The dialect or language that is used for daily communication is a low variety. The form of language of low variety is flexible and is more likely to change over time because it is not restricted by the rules of the high language. For example, in conversations with colleagues or with family or with friends. Now moving on to high variety. High variety is language used for formal situations. This language is learned at school. Formally, speakers learn how to write in that language and they learn its formal grammar rules. For example, the formal lectures at universities.
A high variety is regarded as the standard variety, and people use it as formal or official situations such as government, conference event, formal letters, broadcasts, religious services, and teaching, etc. A high variety is used for literary and literacy purposes and for formal, public, and official uses. A more standard variety called the high variety or H variety. Now we move to standard language. Standard language is an official form of language. The way to use language in an official and formal situation like newspaper, public speech, etc. It is the most correct, the one which is accepted. Example, the standard language in Algeria is Arabic. After that, we move to low variety. Low variety is regarded as the non-standard variety, and people use it in informal situations such as family member, neighbors, local markets, and talking between friends, etc. Low variety is used for informal situations and daily use. Everyone can speak the low variety and will do so in informal situations, but not everyone can use the high variety. This phenomenon is due to the distinct of linguistic knowledge the speaker have. In the glossic community, the high variety, which is linguistically related to but significantly different from the vernacular of low varieties, has no native to speak. National language. National language is probably the term that's more commonly used when talking about a language which is spoken in a specific country. Factually, however, the term national language simply means that there is some types of a connection between a territory and a language spoken there. Over 150 constitutions mention national language, but there is actually very little consistency in this term. It is difficult to determine what is a national language as it is to say what is a nation. Official language. Official language is a bit more of a precise term. It is used to refer to a language that is given specific legal standing. This can apply to the whole country or a specific area. Most often, however, official languages are the ones that are used by the government, since it is almost impossible to regulate by law what language people use to communicate to each other. Official languages are mostly related to government of a country. It refers to what languages are used in courts and by the administrations of a country. Official languages are also the ones that are often expressly mentioned in constitutions and which serve a symbolic purpose.
To sum up, diglossia is one for the important thing to us. In diglossia, no one speaks the high variety as a mother tongue, only the low variety. In the standards with dialect situation, some speakers speak high variety as a mother tongue, while others speak low varieties as a mother tongue and acquire high as a second system.